Hey everybody, this is an extreme box break of 2012 Topps Prime, brought to you by EBUCID. Break that box. I'm not sure if I think I fixed my mic on the webcam, but I'm not sure. Let's see what time it is. It's timeanddate.com. Refresh it. It's 12:10 p.m. Here's the break roster. Okay. And here's the box number. Focus. Two 589. I guess you can see it there. Alright, here's the ceiling. One sealed box. Okay. Let's see what we got. And so what do I got up next week? I think next week I got a 2012 Platinum up for next week. Ten packs, 6 cards per pack, 4 hits. First pack. Crap, what is... Hey, I just picked up the recording on my laptop, or my laptop webcam. My Other webcam, this guy over here, I don't know what the heck happened. The software is not responding, which really sucks. Really sorry about that, because I know you can't. Obviously, the break is not legitimate now, but I'm still gonna do it. Not really anything I can do, guys. Here's the timestamp. I mean, I'll show you the time now, so you know it's not that much later. Hit refresh. Refreshing it. 12:15. So like a few minutes after it went out, I kind of started freaking out. Yep, still not responding. All right, I'll keep going. Hopefully, we pull something nice. So you know, I didn't switch any packs on you. I mean, just gotta look at my feedback and whatever, man. I try to run the most honest breaks out there. This really sucks. All right, 10 packs. Tim Tebow. Parallel of Chandler Harnish. Colts. Ryan Lindley. Rookie. God, man, I feel terrible. This is a disaster. The light's still on everything. I don't know why. I've never done a break this way before, so it's kind of awkward. There's the first hit. Cyrus Gray. Jersey autograph. 700. And cool. Andrew Luck rookie. Aaron Rodgers. David Wilson rookie card. AJ Jenkins rookie card. 4-way jersey out of 610. Justin Blackman, Kendall Wright, Michael Floyd, and A.J. Jenkins. Have to random that. And then Kirk Cousins rookie. Stephen Hill rookie card, and then autograph of Mark Barron out of 286. That's for the Buccaneers. Out of 250, DeVere Posey rookie card. TJ Graham rookie card. 2-pack slips. Jersey card of DeVere Posey out of 266. And Jerron Kreiner out of 350 rookie card. Alright, that's 4 hits. And Cyrus Gray rookie card. Alright guys, thanks. Really sorry. I'm gonna make another video with the webcam over here for the random so you can see my screen. I'll be right back with this and get this one posting. Thanks.